Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number one pick is Samick Sage Archery Takedown Recurve Bow. Strong laminated riser and fiberglass limbs withstand years of use. Takedown feature allows for easy limb replacement if needed. Reliable, sturdy construction makes it a long-lasting investment. The Samick Sage is built to last and remains a top choice for both beginners and experienced archers. The Samick Sage Recurve Bow stands out for its quality craftsmanship, smooth draw, and adaptability. Here's what makes it one of the best-selling recurve bows available. 2-inch AMO length provides a smooth draw and excellent stability. Riser made of strong laminated maple and olive diamond wood for durability and aesthetic appeal. Limbs crafted from hard maple with black fiberglass reinforcement, offering both flexibility and power. Takedown design allows for easy limb replacement or upgrades. The solid construction and attention to detail make the Samick Sage a durable, long-lasting investment. Available in draw weights from 25 pounds to 60 pounds, catering to beginners and advanced archers. Lower draw weights, 25 to 35 pounds, are perfect for beginners, target shooting, and casual practice. Higher draw weights, 40 to 60 pounds, are suitable for hunting and experienced archers. Our second best recurve bow is Spyder Takedown Recurve Bow. If you're looking for a top-tier takedown recurve bow that balances performance, comfort, and durability, the Spyder is an excellent choice. Highly recommended for archers who want precision, versatility, and reliability. The Spyder Takedown Recurve Bow is an exceptional choice for both beginners and intermediate archers, offering high-quality craftsmanship, smooth performance, and long-term adaptability. Designed as an upgrade to the Samick Sage, it features a lighter riser, improved limb alignment, and a refined finish, making it one of the best recurve bows on the market. Perfect for target shooting, hunting, and recreational archery. Comfortable, lightweight, and easy to handle. A great long-term investment with upgradable limbs and accessory compatibility. Reinforced limb tips allow for fast flight and Flemish strings. High-quality laminated wood riser ensures long-lasting performance. Resilient fiberglass limbs can withstand frequent use. The Spyder Recurve Bow is built to last, making it an excellent choice for years of shooting and training. Refined limb pockets and improved limb alignment reduce vibration and hand shock. Third in our list is Sanlida Eagle X9 New 58 RTH Standard Hunting Recurve Bow. Includes bowstring, finger tab, arm guard, arrow rest, and stringer tool. Perfect for beginners and those who want a complete package without extra purchases. This all-in-one package makes it a convenient choice for new archers and those looking for a hassle-free setup. Detachable limbs make it easy to carry and store. Upgradable limbs allow for adjustments as skill level improves, pre-installed bushings for sights, stabilizers, and accessories. The takedown feature ensures long-term usability, as archers can replace limbs instead of buying a new bow when upgrading 58-inch length provides a stable and balanced shooting experience. Smooth draw cycle without excessive stacking. Great arrow speed and penetration for hunting applications. This bow delivers a satisfying draw and a clean, precise shot, making it ideal for both hunting and long-range target shooting. Number 4. In our best recurve bow list is TOPARCHERY Archery 56-inch takedown hunting recurve bow. If you're looking for a solid right-handed recurve bow with a sleek black finish, this model is a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced archers, made of high-quality aluminum alloy for strength and stability. Matte black finish for a sleek, tactical appearance, ergonomic grip for comfort, and improved handling. Unlike wooden risers, the metal construction offers excellent durability and a consistent, stable shooting platform, making it a great option for archers who want long-lasting performance. Available in different draw weights, 30 to 50 pounds. Lower draw weights, 30 to 35 pounds, are great for beginners and target shooting. Higher draw weights, 40 to 50 pounds, are ideal for hunting and experienced archers. This bow is versatile enough to accommodate archers at different skill levels, allowing you to start with a lower draw weight and upgrade as you progress. Detachable limbs make it easy to transport and store. Allows for limb upgrades instead of replacing the entire bow. Our last pick is TOPARCHERY Archery 60-inch takedown hunting recurve bow. Includes 6 arrows, bowstring, arrow rest, and basic accessories. Perfect for beginners who need an all-in-one package. No need for extra purchases before getting started. This set saves time and effort, making it ideal for those who want to start shooting right away. 60-inch length offers stability for precision shots, consistent draw, and powerful arrow speed. Minimal vibration and good balance for better accuracy. The Toparchery 60-inch recurve bow delivers smooth and controlled shots, making it reliable for both practice and competition. Fiberglass laminated limbs with a maple core for durability. Takedown design allows for easy transport and storage. Allows for limb upgrades as skill level improves. The laminated limbs ensure flexibility and resilience, giving you a consistent draw and powerful shot. The Toparchery 60-inch takedown hunting recurve bow and arrow set is a well-designed, versatile longbow kit, perfect for adults looking to practice, compete, or even start hunting. With a durable metal riser, fiberglass laminated limbs, multiple draw weight options, 30 to 50 pounds, and a complete set of arrows.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!